Hello everybody, welcome back. Right, you may be wondering, looking at the title of this video, saying to yourself, hang on a minute, he's done a chicken in an air fryer, why is he doing it again? Well, two reasons really. First one, purely because the last time I cooked it, I did it using the upside down method, where you cook it upside down for 40 minutes and then you flip it up the other way and do it for the extra 20-25. And I thought this time I'm going to do it again just doing it the right way. So doing it breast side up and then turning it to see if it makes a major difference. Now this will be slightly different. I'm going to increase the cooking time by about 5 minutes. So last time I did it for 30, checked it, and then another 10 to make it up to 40 minutes. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it for 45 minutes straight. I'm not going to check it. I'm just going to baste it 45 minutes. And the reason because of that, of course, is that as you can see, this is an extra large chicken. So the one I got last time was medium. This is an extra large chicken. I think this is going to go in. I hope it will anyway. And for anyone that's interested, as you can see, it's the Ashfields Farm. This was from Aldi. So this is an extra large chicken from Aldi, and this was £4.79, which is great, really. I mean, it's obviously cheaper than the Asda one because the Asda medium one was £5. So this was £4.79, which I think is great value, especially for an extra large chicken. Right, the second reason I'm going to be doing this again is because one of the comments that I've got, and I've had some really nice comments, so thank you very much for that on the air fryer videos. It must mean that you do actually like them. But one of the comments I had was, thanks for doing the chicken, great, no problem at all, but you didn't actually tell us how it turned out. And I can actually say to you now, it was delicious. It was really succulent. Whether that's got anything to do with the upside down method or not, I don't know. We'll find out when we do it this way. But yeah, that is one of the comments that I've got that, great. I showed you the finished article when it had been resting, but I didn't actually tell you how it tasted. So I think I might try and include that now in some of these vlogs, is give you a little bit of a, bit of a rundown of sort of how it tasted and what it was like, and yeah, that sort of thing. A bit of a review, a bit of a taste. Right, so there's my butter melted. Just done that in the microwave. That's just probably about 2 or 3 dessert spoonfuls of butter melted in the microwave. And I'm just going to paint the bird and then get it all ready. And then I'm going to put this on, this one, at 180, and I'm going to do it for 45 minutes. I'm going to do it for an extra 5 minutes to start because it is a bigger chicken than the last one. I say the last one we got, if you remember, was a medium. Okay, so there we have it. So there's our chicken all basted nicely with some butter, and I've just put a bit of salt and pepper on there as well. So we're going to go for air fry, and we're going to take that down to 180, and we're going to do that for 45 minutes. Okay, see you in a while. This is where I start to get a bit nervous. Okay. Right, so that's had 45 minutes on 180. Oh, wow. Look at that. Now, if you were cooking that in an oven, you'd say that was it, wouldn't you? But I am going to turn it over because they do say to do both sides. I mean, please, if anyone has ever done this and just cooked it on one side for, well, whatever duration you cooked it on, please let me know. I mean, whether it is necessary to turn it, but I'm going to anyway because I did it last time. This is just basically the reverse that I did before. Okay, well that wasn't too bad. I just used a couple of forks and just put it sort of either end and then flipped it that way. Right, so I've remelted my butter. So I'm going to give this now a basting on the underside, and I'm going to put this in for about another 25 minutes and then test it with my trusty meat thermometer and see how we get on. Right. Okay, so air fry down to 180, Okay, and then I'm going to do it for 25 minutes. Wow, look at that. Okay, right, now what I'm going to do, as you can see, that is done, and you know, if you're happy with that, without putting my meat thermometer in it, I'd say that is pretty much there. Obviously test these things, you know, if you haven't got a meat thermometer, as you know, it's the old the skewer if the juices run clear. But as you can see, I've got a little bit of butter left, so what I'm going to do, this is personally just for me, flip it over again, then I'm going to baste with the rest of the butter and then give it another 5 minutes just on top to really crisp up that skin. Okay, let me just move that over just a bit for that wing, just to make sure there's plenty of room around. And then, as I say, back in, air fry, 180 for let's say 5 minutes, and then we'll have a look. Okay, there we go. Right. Oh, look at that. Lovely. So, right, it should be, as I say, anywhere between 74 and 75, or, well, between 70 and 74. So let's have a look. Put that in there. That's right, so that is reading 75. Obviously, so that's called 74. That's good. What about this bit here? Oh, blimey. 72. So I think we can safely say that that is cooked. As you can see, look, even the juices are running clear as well. So that is fantastic. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get that out, put it on a plate and let it rest for about half an hour, 40 minutes, and then give it a bit of a carve, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you the results and see how we got on. Okay, so there we are. Just on a plate with a bit of foil, just letting it rest for about half an hour, 40 minutes or so. Right, so that's been resting now for about half an hour or more. So I'm now going to give it a bit of a carve. I'm going to take these wings off. Unfortunately, in my family, I missed the carving gene. I didn't inherit that, unfortunately. My dad's the carver of the family. Hello, Dad, if you're watching. Here we go. Look at that. Very nice, very juicy. Okay, put that on the plate. I'll tell you what I'm going to do now. Let me just get a piece. I said I'd give you an honest review. Yeah, that is really nice, really moist. From what I can tell, there's not really a lot of difference between doing it the upside down mode or doing it the normal way. So I guess it's down to personal preference. It's either one works for you, really. So there we go. So roast chicken version 2 in the air fryer. And as I said before, just in case you missed it, that chicken there, this was £4.79 from Aldi, and that's for an extra large chicken. Okay, right, enjoy, and I'll see you soon.